Ricotta patties. You may be asking yourself, what the f is a ricotta patty? Hey everyone, Mark here, and I'm gonna show you another family recipe that I grew up with. These soft, pillowy, yet crispy ricotta patties were a Sunday staple growing up. They're so easy and delicious, but before I show you how to make them, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Please and thank you. So let's start. First, let's start by finely chopping up about half a cup of parsley. And then we're gonna grate about 1 cup of cheese. I'm using a blend of Pecorino Romano and a little bit of Reggie, Parmigiano-Reggiano, but you can pick one cheese, you don't have to do both. Grab yourself a big bowl and add your fresh ricotta. Get the freshest ricotta you can. Some bakeries in the morning will sell fresh ricotta, and when you go to pick it up, it's still warm. The best. Let's add your cheese mixture, add your parsley, season with salt and freshly cracked pepper. If you want some heat, go ahead and add some chili flakes. Add 1 egg. I should have whisked it before, but I didn't, I forgot. Zest about half a lemon, and then we're gonna add some breadcrumbs. I'm using about half a cup of panko, but you can use regular breadcrumbs as well. And then mix. Mix very well. Give it a bit of a taste and adjust any seasonings. Now we can form our patties. You can make them as big or as small as you want. Mine are about 3 inches wide, and I'm forming them into like little burger patties. But if you want, you can be more rustic, and just before frying, you can dollop them into the frying oil. In a pan on medium to high heat, add extra virgin olive oil or any frying oil that you like to use. Add enough oil to your pan that will cover half of your patties when you add them to the pan. What we're doing is shallow frying. Add your patties to the pan and fry. Keep an eye on them because depending on the size of your patties, all the cooking times will be different. I like mine a little bit darker and crispier, but you do you. Flip the patties and continue frying them. Once done, add to a plate lined with paper towel and then finish with a little bit of flaky salt. And then plate them however you like. You can add them on a plate of nice tomato sauce, or you can make a dipping sauce, whatever you want, but I like them as is. All right, there we have it. Ricotta patties, another family recipe that you can try at home. Creamy, crispy, delicate, pillowy, so delicious. Just brings back childhood memories. You can have these hot, room temp, or straight out of the fridge. So I hope you give it a go, and as always, the full recipe's in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and until next time, ciao. Oh!